Student, now I give lecture on cooling of transformers. Under cooling of transformers, we studied about the definition of cooling method, necessity of cooling methods, and what are the coolants used in the cooling of transformers, and then types of transformers, and then methods of cooling. The definition of cooling of transformers is nothing but the processes by which the heat generated, that is the heat dissipation in the transformer, which is dissipated or treated to the safe value, that is nothing but the cooling of a transformer. What is the necessity of a cooling transformer? The cooling is necessary for transformer which is reduce the heat dissipated or heat generated in the transformer core, transformer winding, transformer tank, etc. due to various losses occurred in the transformer, like losses is copper losses, core losses, iron losses. Okay, but the major contribution of heat generated in the transformer is due to copper losses, that is I squared or losses. If we are not cool the transformer due to heat generation, the transformer may be burnt. For that purpose only the cooling method is used in the transformers. For the different efficient working of the transformers, and then for longer life of transformers and higher efficiency produced by the transformer, the cooling method is very important to transformers. Then what are the coolants used in the cooling of transformers? Air, synthetic oils, mineral oils, gas, water. These are the materials used as a coolant in the cooling methods. Then type of the transformer. There are two types of transformer is there. One is dry type transformer, another one is oil immersed type of transformers. This is the figure shows the dry type transformer which consists of the LV terminal, HV terminal, cross flow fans, 3-lug core, resonance space, HV winding, that is high voltage winding, low voltage winding, then insulation, then clamping frame and the truck, totally 9 parts. Okay. The dry type of transformers we are using the cooling method, air natural and air forced cooling is used for dry type of transformers. This is the figure which shows the oil immersed type of transformer. Now you see the circuit diagram, the oil immersed type transformer, conservator, and then Bocal's relay, dehydrating breather, dial thermometer, bushings, then current transformer, pressure relief device, cooler, cooling, fans, radiator, transformer tank, oil pump, and then connecting valves, oil level cage. These are the components of the oil immersed type transformers. The oil immersed type transformer, the transformer core, the transformer windings, everything is immersed in the transformer within the tank only. And because the transformer tank only consists of the transformer oil, that is the oil is inside in the transformer tank only. So therefore the different types of cooling method is used for dry type of transformer and oils immersed type of transformers. Then methods of cooling. The methods of cooling, then we are using two types. One is dry type, another one is immersed type transformer. In dry type transformers, what are the cooling methods used? One is air natural, which is denoted by AN. Another one is air forced, that is AF. The another name of air forced cooling is air blast cooling. Okay. Then the methods of cooling used in the oil immersed type transformer. Totally 5 types of cooling methods used in the oil immersed type transformer. First one is oil natural, air natural, which is denoted by ONAN. The name itself is there. The oil also natural cooling, then air is also natural. We never forced oil and air. Second one is oil natural and oil forced, which is denoted by ONAF. The third one is oil forced, air forced, which is abbreviated by OFAF. The fourth one is oil natural, water forced, that is ONWF. The last one is oil forced, water forced, that is OFWF. Now we studied about the methods of cooling for dry type transformer. Okay. First one is air natural cooling, that is AN. Okay. So in this method of cooling, how the heat generator in the transformer is cooled by the natural air circulation. Okay. When the temperature means core or tank or winding. So the temperature of the transformer is higher. The heated air is replaced by the cooled air only. Because here we are natural cooling only we are using. This method of cooling is also known as the self-cooled method only. This type of air cooling is used for a small rating of transformer. That means the transformer which gives smaller output, such type of transformer only this type of coolings are used. The rating of such type of transformer is up to 1.5 MVA. Above 1.5 MVA, the air natural cooling is not applicable. The air natural cooling method is applicable only up to 1.5 MVA rating of the transformer only. Then we studied about the air forced or air blast cooling method, which is used for dry type transformer only. So in this method of cooling, the heat generator due to various losses which is cooled by the forced air circulation method. That means the air is forced to the core and winding of the transformer with the help of fans and blowers. That means high velocity of air is forced on the core and winding of the transformer with the help of fans and blowers. The temperature inside the transformer, suppose, goes beyond the standard safe level, the alarm is activated, the fans and blowers are switched on automatically. So this is the main key point of this type of cooling. Because due to various losses, the heat generated in the transformer, that is winding of the transformer, core of the transformer and then tank of the transformer increases. But every parameter that having some limit, safe limit as per ISS standard. Suppose the temperature inside the transformer goes beyond that limit, immediately alarm is activated, Then the fans and blowers are switched on automatically to cool the heated air which is generated by the losses. This type of cooling is used for transformer which is having the rating up to 15 MVA. Beyond 15 MVA, this type of cooling is not used. Only up to 15 MVA only this type of cooling is used. Students, in this lecture video, you understood the concept of definition of cooling method of transformer. Then, what is the necessity, what is the need of cooling of method used in the transformers? Then, types of transformers. Then, what are the cooling methods is used in the type of transformers? Then what are the materials used as a coolant in the cooling method of transformers? Thank you students for watching this video.